Just into inventory and available. 2015 918 Spyder. Factory color is meteor gray metallic. The entire car has been wrapped in this unbelievable pearl white. And when I say entire, I mean entire. Every single inch of this car has been wrapped in white. Car's lowered. Has a full custom 3D printed 8-into-1 exhaust system built by Boden Autohaus out of California. They also did the suspension, the tuning, and the wrap on the car. If you're familiar with their work, you already know they do unbelievable quality. This car is just under 9,000 miles. It is available as of now. Factory red, white pipe, white stitch accent. Although this car is not a factory Weissach car, it has almost all of the factory Porsche Weissach carbon. Magnesiums, carbon front, carbon rear fins, carbon spoiler, full carbon interior, and the carbon within the interior is also PPF protected. This car was completely paint corrected and PPF before it was wrapped. So underneath the white, the paint is immaculate. One of the most captivating examples we have ever had.